This is going to be a niche research video. I'm calling it a 0-day niche research strategy that I'm going to be showing you. I also want to show you how I found this, all right? Because I was doing a little research myself using some of the usual tools that you've seen me using. It led me to a specific niche, and then it kind of dawned on me, this is actually a whole research approach that we can replicate in the future. So I'm going to share all of that with you in this video. Let's get to it. So first I want to show you how I found the niche that inspired this approach to niche research. Stop me if you've seen me do this before, but I'm going to go to Merch Dominator. On the left-hand side, I'm going to MBA and KDP, and then I'm clicking bestsellers. After the bestsellers page loads, I'm going to go to where it says sorting right here, and I'm changing that to newest. This is going to look for new submitted products that have already made a sale. Now let me show you the niche behind the shirts that I saw.
What's up, brother? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Thank you, brother.
What's up, brother has become a viral phrase.
What you see behind me are the shirts inspired by that streamer, okay? And streamers are people who go live and stream to platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitch is a popular one. There's some other ones that are smaller, but it's becoming more and more popular with younger generations, and certain streamers get really large audiences and things that they do that become memes. Like in this case, this streamer named Sketch who says, "What's up, brother?" and points. Obviously it went a little bit viral, and I noticed a lot of repetition in Merch Dominator's newly submitted section. Lots of people doing their take on this design, but also a lot of sales being generated right away, right after listing on Amazon, like literally within 24 to 48 hours often. I mean, those are those 0-day shirts. And when I say 0-day, I'm talking about you could be watching the streamer, okay? They could be live on Twitch, wherever they stream, do something funny, you immediately pivot and go put it on a t-shirt. And no, you're not taking their picture or anything like that, right? But if you want to do a hand pointing to the sky and text that says, "What's up, brother?" like this one, to me, that's very safe. It also has, I think, the lowest BSR, by the way. So the safest, simplest shirt. Okay, not the lowest. This one has the lowest over my shoulder with 122,000. But this one over here, 237,000 BSR and $18.99 price point, just making fun of a Twitch streamer in a friendly way. Of course, guys, you cannot skip trademark searches because if anybody, it doesn't even matter if you're a streamer or not, right? Like if something's trademarked, you can't sell it, okay, period. So in that case, you need to go to the USPTO, type in "What's up, brother?" do a quick search, look for any trademarks first and foremost, but then obviously focus in primarily on the print-on-demand specific trademarks, class 025 being, the one that probably garners the most attention. Looks like we're good. You go to Merch Dominator, notice that this is trending. Sometimes I just say, okay, that's a new trend, I should sell it. Other times I'm like, well, why is this trending? And that's what led me to this research approach, the 0-day, right? And wanting to do a video telling you about it because, hey guys, like not all, entertainment is scripted television that's pre-recorded and pre-edited and known about months in advance. Like a lot of times now people, especially younger people, are watching people stream live, and you could have niches emerging instantaneously. Again, the biggest threat is you need to just make sure that you're not infringing on intellectual property in case it is a catchphrase or something. Like if you're gonna take this approach, you need to familiarize yourself with whoever it is that you're watching. And of course, just, always do your due diligence no matter where you're selling. But guys, this is what I'm calling the streamer 0-day niche research approach. And it is only going to increase in popularity. Because, if you're not familiar with this, check out Twitch, check out Kick, check out any other streaming platform you guys want to shout out in the comments. A lot of people go to these websites and not even stream. A lot of people just go to watch. It's kind of interesting. I've always wanted to be the guy being watched on the streams, just saying. Like if I want to play some computer games, I'd rather stream it than watch a stream, but that's just me personally. Either way, this is a nice way of making some new sales in what could be an emerging trend. It may be short-lived. Only time will tell. But I wanted to make sure I shared this approach with you guys because I do think it will be relevant into the future. It's not one of these approaches to research that's going to come and go. I really think this has some staying power. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out Merch Dominator, linked in the description, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video.